Hi guys, it's me. Today we're diving into a projector that's designed to solve a very real problem. How do you get a massive, sharp 4K image without needing a huge room or a complicated setup? That's exactly where the Optoma 4K400STx comes in. This is a 4K Ultra HD high-brightness short-throw DLP projector, and it's built for people who want big screen impact with minimal space. The short-throw design is the first thing you notice. You don't need to mount this projector far away or run cables across the room. It can sit much closer to the screen or wall and still produce a large, immersive image. That makes it perfect for living rooms, gaming rooms, offices, classrooms, and even event spaces where distance is limited but screen size still matters. Now let's talk about image clarity. This projector delivers true 4K Ultra HD resolution, and that extra detail really shows. Fine lines stay sharp, textures look more realistic, and text remains crisp even when the image is pushed to very large sizes. Movies feel more cinematic, sports look cleaner, and presentations appear more professional and polished. Brightness is a huge strength here. This projector is built to handle rooms with ambient light, which is something many projectors struggle with. You don't have to turn your space into a dark cave to enjoy it. Daytime viewing is practical, lights can stay on, and the image still holds its punch. That's a big deal for both home users and professional environments. Color performance is vibrant and energetic without feeling exaggerated. The DLP technology helps keep motion smooth and colors consistent, even during fast-moving scenes. Bright visuals pop with intensity, while darker scenes maintain solid contrast and depth. The overall image feels balanced, clean, and easy on the eyes during long viewing sessions. For gaming, this projector delivers a surprisingly immersive experience. Playing on a massive projected screen instantly changes how games feel. Movement looks smooth, response feels quick, and the large display pulls you right into the action. The short throw setup also makes it easier to position the projector in gaming spaces where traditional projectors would be inconvenient. Setup is refreshingly straightforward. You don't need complex mounting hardware or precise long-distance placement. The projector's flexible positioning options and keystone correction help you dial in the image quickly, even if your room isn't perfectly designed for projection. That simplicity makes it accessible for beginners while still offering enough control for advanced users. Connectivity is practical and modern, allowing easy connection to consoles, streaming devices, laptops, and media players. Switching between entertainment, gaming, and work use feels seamless, which adds to the projector's overall versatility. What really stands out is how adaptable this projector is. It doesn't lock you into a single use case. One day it's a home theater centerpiece, the next it's a gaming display, and after that it's powering presentations or events. That flexibility makes it a strong option for users who want one device that can handle multiple roles without compromise. Build quality feels solid and dependable. This is clearly designed as a long-term solution rather than a temporary gadget. It's made to run for extended periods while maintaining consistent performance, which is important for both personal and professional use. Overall, the Optoma 4K400STx is about delivering maximum visual impact in spaces where traditional projectors fall short. With bright output, sharp 4K resolution, short throw convenience, and wide versatility, it offers a powerful big screen experience without demanding a massive room or complex setup. If you want to buy this Optoma 4K400STx 4K Ultra HD high brightness short throw DLP projector, then please visit the link provided in the description.